Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're breaking down the Supertrend Indicator, a simple yet powerful trading tool that many swear by for spotting market trends. Let's find out if it really lives up to the hype. What it is. The Supertrend Indicator is a technical analysis tool used in trading to help identify the current market trend and potential entry or exit points. It's designed to simplify trend detection, so traders can make quicker, more confident decisions. How it works. The Supertrend plots a line on your chart that shifts position depending on price movement and volatility, typically calculated using the average true range, or ATR. When the price closes above the line, it signals a potential uptrend, and the line turns green. When the price closes below it, it signals a possible downtrend, and the line turns red. Many traders combine it with other indicators for confirmation. Who it's for. It's ideal for beginner to intermediate traders who want a straightforward visual trend indicator, as well as experienced traders looking for a quick way to filter signals before making a trade. What people are saying. Positive feedback. Many traders love its simplicity, clear visual cues, and effectiveness in trending markets. Negative feedback. Some say it gives false signals in choppy sideways markets and shouldn't be used alone. Red flags. The indicator itself has no scam signs. It's free on most charting platforms. However, be wary of paid signal services claiming guaranteed profits with Supertrend. That's often a marketing trap. Pros. Easy to read and interpret, even for beginners. Works on multiple timeframes and assets. Free on popular platforms like TradingView and MetaTrader. Helps traders stick with trends instead of guessing. Cons. Can give false signals in sideways markets. Best used with other indicators or strategies for accuracy. Doesn't predict market reversals in advance, only reacts to them. Recommendation. So here's my recommendation. If you're looking for a simple tool to keep you on the right side of the market, the Supertrend Indicator is worth adding to your toolkit. Just remember, no indicator is perfect, so always pair it with solid risk management and confirmation tools. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on the Supertrend Indicator in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more trading reviews.